Hi everyone, Mumbles here. Today I bring you the Keymatic M98 wireless mechanical keyboard. When you receive this product, you will get the keyboard itself, a wireless USB dongle, a keycap puller, a charging cable, 3 extra switches, and 3 keys. Those keys are the home button, the page up button, and the page down button, and some instructions, and that is everything that will come with this product. Feature-wise, this is a wireless mechanical keyboard made mainly for you gamers out there. It has 3 ways of connecting to your computer: USB cable, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, or Bluetooth connectivity. This keyboard is compatible with pretty much all systems, including Mac and Windows, so do be aware of that. As far as features of the keyboard itself, this keyboard has a little LCD screen on it that can tell you various things like the battery life of the keyboard, the brightness, and things like that. There is also a knob on it so that you can adjust your volume should you want to. The best part about this, if you don't like that display, you can easily pull that off and replace it with those 3 keys: the home key, the page up button, and the page down button. So you do have options here with this thing. Now, this keyboard does both 16.8 million color RGB backlighting with 20 dynamic lighting modes and 5 different brightness modes. The best part is you can adjust this thing without installing anything on your computer. You can go to the Keymatic website, use their tool to change the lighting modes. It is here you can also change the keys to do different things. You can make macros, all without installing any extra software. Last thing I want to mention about this keyboard is it is rechargeable. It has a 8000 mAh battery in it, which will keep you running for hours upon hours. But when it is time to charge it, you can just plug in the USB cable and you're good to go. I use this keyboard across multiple games, including Fortnite, Arc Raiders, Project Zomboid, just to name a few. And I can say I really like this keyboard. The keys feel super responsive. They have a nice click sound to them to give you that feedback that you're looking for. And it is an all-around pleasure to use this keyboard. It works great, it looks nice, and it is just an all-around great product that I can only say absolutely wonderful things about. This has been my review of this product. I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye everyone, take care.